Hi, good morning. Can I get a coffee, please?
Good morning. Sure. What kind of coffee would you like?
I think I'll have a latte. Medium size, please.
Got it. Do you want it hot or iced?
Hot, please. And can you make it with oat milk?
Of course. Anything to eat with that?
Do you have any muffins?
Yes, we have blueberry, chocolate, and banana.
I'll take a chocolate muffin.
Perfect. That's a medium oat milk latte and a chocolate muffin. Will that be for here or to go?
For here, please.
All right, that will be $7.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your latte will be ready in a few minutes.
Thanks.
Here's your latte and chocolate muffin. Enjoy!
Thank you. It smells amazing.
I'm glad. Are you a student nearby?
Yes, I study at the university down the street.
That's great. Do you like studying here or at the library?
I like studying here sometimes. The coffee helps me focus, and it's nice to take a short break.
I totally understand. I used to study in coffee shops too.
Really? What did you study?
I studied marketing. It's actually why I started working here learning about customer service.
That's interesting. Maybe one day I'll study marketing too.
That could be fun. Well, enjoy your coffee and muffin, and good luck with your studies.
Thanks, Liam. Have a great day.
You too, Emma.